Hello all, today in this video we will discuss how to take quantities for trapezoidal footing. So here you can see the cross section and plan of a trapezoidal footing, and the dimensions are as follows, and always the dimensions are in mm. So here you can see the PCC level, which is the depth is 100 mm, and this rectangular footing of 400 mm depth, and the trapezoidal portion height is that 800 mm, and this neck column portion up to ground level the depth is that 900 mm, and above the ground level the depth is that 300 mm. So the total depth of neck column is that 1200 mm. So here you can see the plan. The dotted line is that PCC level, and after the dotted line this is footing, and this is trapezoidal portion. These two sides are longer sides of a trapezoidal portion, and these two sides are shorter side of a trapezoidal portion. And here you can see this is neck column. So first we will find earthwork for to prepare trapezoidal footing for these dimensions. So here we know that PCC level is 4200 mm the length. So for earthwork we will take 100 mm extra this side and this side. So 4200 plus 200, 4.4 meters. And here you can see the breadth is that 3200 mm. So we will take 100 mm extra this side and also this side. So 3.2 plus 200 mm. So we will get 3.4 meters, and the depth is that from here to here. So 900 plus 800, which is 1700 mm, plus 400 is 2100 plus 100 mm, so 2.2 meters. After multiplication of this 4.4 into 3.4 into 2.2, we will get 32.91 cubic meter is required for earthwork purpose. So for PCC, we will calculate how much quantity of PCC is required. So here you can see that PCC length is that 4200 mm, so 4.2 meters, and the breadth is that 3200 mm, so here the breadth is 3.2 meters. So here you can see the depth is that for PCC is that 100 mm, so 0.1. So 4.2 into 3.2 into 0.1, which is 1.34 cubic meter. And now we will find for this footing purpose. So this footing is in rectangular footing. So here you can see this footing length is that 4000 mm. Here you can see the 4000 mm, and the breadth is that 3000 mm. So length is 4 and breadth is 3.4 meters, and here you can see the depth is that 0.4 meter. So after multiplication of 4 into 3 into 0.4, we will get 4.8 cubic meter is required for this portion of footing. So next we will find for this trapezoidal portion. So to find how much quantity of concrete is required for this trapezoidal portion, the formula is that h by 3 into a1 plus a2 plus under root of a1 plus a2. So h is nothing but here the depth is that 800 mm, and a1. So we will find a1, area 1. So here you can see that area 1 to find this footing is 4000 mm here into this 4000 mm into this 3000. So 4000 into 3000, we will get 12,000. 4 3s are 12,000 mm. So which is 12 meters. So and for A2, here you can see that this portion is 1000 and this is breadth is 700. So length into breadth. So 1000 into 700, 1 into 0.7 meter. So we will get 0.7 meter. So after keeping these values in this formula, h is nothing but 0.8, the depth divided by 3 into a1 we got here is 12 meters, and a2 which we got is 0.7 meter plus under root of 12 plus 0.7, we will get 4.05 cubic meter of concrete is required for this trapezoidal portion. So for neck column is here we have only one column, so 0.9 so one number, and here you can see the dimensions of neck column. So the length is that 900 mm, so 0.9 meter, and the breadth is that 600 mm, so 0.6 meters, and the depth is that 900 plus 300 is that 1200 mm, so 1.2 meter. After multiplication of this into this into this, we will get 0.648 cubic meter. So here from here to here, this is the quantity of total concrete which is required for these dimensions of a trapezoidal footing. So next we will find how much shattering quantity, how to take shattering quantity. So now we will find shattering quantity for this trapezoidal footing. So for footing, first how much quantity of shattering is required. So here you can see this length is that 4000 mm plus 3000 mm is the breadth. So to find the footing shuttering, the formula is perimeter length into height. Perimeter length is that 4 sides of a rectangle. So 4 meter plus 3 meter plus 4 meter plus 3 meter into, and the depth is that 0.4, 400 mm. So 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus into 0.4. So we'll get 5.6 square meter is required for these dimensions of footing. Now for trapezoidal portion, how much shuttering quantity is required? So to find this, first we'll find for longer side. So we'll find average length. Average length is that here you can see 4000 plus this 1000. Average in the sense these two sides divided by 2. So 4000 plus 1000 divided by 2 is that 2500. So we'll get 2.5 meter is the average length of first longer side. And for shorter side we will find in the same way. Here you can see this is the shorter side. So here you can see 3000 mm plus, and this is the second 700 mm. So 3000 plus 700 mm divided by 2. So 3700 by divided by 2 is that 1.85 meters we will get. So to find the area, this is the average length. To find the area, first what we will do? Length into inclined distance. So we have to find this inclined distance. So to find inclined distance for longer side, so here you can see 3000 mm minus 700. So for longer side this is this side, but in this case to find inclined distance we will take opposite side. So here you can see 3000 mm minus 700. So here you can see this is the cross section at yy, this is at xx. So this is cross section at yy. So here you can see this 3000 mm. So this portion we have to find. So 3000 minus 700. So we, after doing that, what will get 2300. So these two portions, this area equally divided. So divided by 2. So 1150. This is 1150 and this is 1150. Okay. So this is right angled triangle. This is right angled triangle. So we will find inclined distance as AC square equals to AP square plus BC square. So to find AC square, we will take under root of 1150 whole square plus 800 whole square. We will get 1400 mm, which is 1.4 meter. So here already we got average length is 2.5 meters into inclined distance is 1.4 meter. So 2.5 into 1.4 we will get 3.5 square meter. So here the length is that 2.5 meter, where average length we got. So the depth is that 1.4 meter. Inclined distance is the depth. So after multiplication of this 2.5 into 1.4 is the quantity of shuttering which we have required here. For shorter side we have to find. So in the same way average length. Already we discussed here how we got this 1.85 meter. And for inclined distance, this 1.85 into, here you can see. In the same way after 4000 minus 1000, we will get 3000 divided by 1500, which is 1.5 meter. So 1500 whole square plus 800 whole square, which is 1700 mm. So 1.7 meter. So 1.85 into 1.7, which is 3.145. So average length for shorter side is that 1.85 meter, and the depth is that 3.15. That 1.85 into this inclined distance 1.7 will get 3.145 square meter of shuttering quantity is required for this trapezoidal portion. And for neck column, so one neck column is there, that perimeter length into depth. So here 2 into this 0.9 plus 0.6 plus 0.9 plus 0.6. So 2 into 0.9 plus 0.6 into, and the depth 900 plus 300, which is 1.2. So into 1.2. After multiplication of this into this, we will get 3.6 meter. 3.6 square meter of neck shuttering is required for this neck column. So after adding all these quantities, we will get 15.845 square meter. So if we take the rate per square meter is 150, so 15.845 into 150 will get 2376 rupees is required for shuttering purpose. So if you all like this video, please follow, like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you all.